Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video my son and I are going to show you how to change the air filter on this 2015 Volkswagen GTI. Now, changing your air filter is very inexpensive and can be done by yourself at home. So with the hood open, your air box is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Now, you've probably heard that changing your air filter is an important part of maintaining your car. The most obvious benefit to changing your air filter is the increased fuel efficiency you'll see after having it switched. Since it improves airflow to your engine, your car doesn't have to work as hard, so it burns less gas. And increasing airflow to your engine can also improve the overall performance of your vehicle. If your engine is staying clean, it won't have to work as hard to get you from point A to B. Finally, from an environmental perspective, your car will see its emissions reduced, as a clogged air filter can actually directly affect the emissions control component of the vehicle, which can lead to poor air-fuel mixture. Given the large amount of benefits that a clean filter brings, improved fuel economy, overall engine performance, and reduced emissions, it should go without saying that having it replaced regularly is very advantageous. Now we just have one last screw in the back corner, and then we could open the air box. Go ahead and lift the upper part of the housing to remove the air filter and clean any excess debris you may have inside the air box. Now just replace it with the new filter and reinstall the screws. Finally, just test it to make sure it's tight. And there's your quick tutorial on how to change your air filter. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your home garage.